Hello students, most welcome in Rita Das classes. I request all the news viewers to subscribe my channel. Today I am going to teach you the most important part of the English grammar. The topic is voice. Voice is an important element of the English grammar. It also helps us to improve the English language. Now I am discussing voice step by step for the students' interest. In this voice, we have to read about the definitions, kinds, rules to change, the structures, and first of all, we have to know about the definitions of the voice. In these definitions, we know that voice is the form of the verb that shows whether the subject acts or is acted upon. In another way, we can define it that voice is the mode of the expressions of the verbs. Example, he does the work. The work is done by him. Here, verb is expressed in two ways, active way and the passive way. Now, there are two kinds of the voice, and one is the active voice and another is the passive voice. Now, first of all, we know about the active voice. Active voice means the action is done by the subject. It is the form of the verb. It is a form of a verb which is used to say what the subject does. Example, he plays cricket, she cooks food. And now we have to know the passive voice. Passive voice means the subject does not do the action. It is such an expression of verb that when the subject of a verb does not act, that's why it remains silent and the function of the object fall upon the verb. And the example is, it was done by me. Now we have to see by the structure here the voice, and it is divided in two parts, active and the passive. And the active means the subject does, passive means the subject does not do. And one example is also there, Ram killed Ravan, and passive, that is Ravan was killed by Ram. And here whenever we are going to change the active into the passive voice, the helping verb is necessary. How the helping verb changed? All the helping verbs rule is given here. So dear students, so you have to screenshot these rules and these helping verbs, how it is changed. And now we have to know about the rules. What are the rules here to change the active to the passive voice? There are 5 rules to change the active into the passive voice. First rule is that we have to change object into the subject. Here in the side I have just given you that how the Mary studies German, and Mary is the subject and German is the object. How object comes here, how objects come into and it becomes the subject. So first the object change into the subject. Second, the helping verb is used. You can see here the is used, that is the helping verb. And now third is that verb 3 is used. Here studied, it is the verb 3. So in every passive voice, the first is the object is changed into the subject. Second, there must be the helping verb, but helping verb is changed according to the rules. And third, and verb 3 is in every passive voice. And in fourth, we have to use the by. Here also the by is written. And last, that is the subject into the object, and subject is just changed in and it becomes the object in the passive voice. So we have to know that these 5 rules, whenever we change the passive voice, we have to remain. And in this and here also the students, I have given how the pronouns are changed in the passive voice. You have to screenshot it. And I also discuss you, I is changing to me, we is changing to us, you is changing to you, and you have to screenshot and remember also and learn also. Now we have to just read about the structures. how in the passive voice the structure of the tense, it is given in this structure, it is the bracket or here in the box, all the structure of the tenses are given. And the first, the simple tense, here it is used is mr plus verb 3 and the by and the object. And in continuous is mr and being is used in continuous, in and verb 3 is used in all the, and in perfect tense has have is used and plus been is used. You have to remember here only, and verb 3 is used. And in past tense was where is used and verb 3. Past continuous was where plus being and verb 3. And in perfect tense had been plus verb 3. And in simple future it will shall plus be plus verb 3. And future continuous is not changed, and here future perfect will shall have plus been plus verb 3. Here we know about this, the structure. And here I have written sentence of the simple present tense and how it is changed into the positive, negative, and in the question sentence. It is in the positive, he writes a letter, it is changed, a letter is written by him. And he does not write a letter, in negative, a letter is not written by him. Does he write a letter? Is a letter written by him? It is the simple present. Now we have to discuss about the present continuous tense. In present continuous tense, the structure I have already told you that is mr plus being is used plus verb 3, and here verb 3 is used. So she is singing a song is being sung by her. And in negative, she is not singing a song is not being sung by her. And in question sentence, is she singing a song? Is a song being sung by her? And after that we have to know the perfect tense. In the perfect tense, the structure is that has have plus been plus verb 3. Now you see in the positive sentence, he has completed the work. Passive voice, the work has been completed by him. In negative sentence, he has not completed the work. In passive, the work has not been completed by him. In interrogative, has he completed the work, and he has means has he not completed the work. And now simple past. In simple past, you only use was where plus verb 3. He bought a car was bought by him. He did not buy a car was not by him. And did he buy a car, was a car bought by him? Past continuous tense. In the past continuous tense, we have to use was where plus being plus verb 3. She was washing a shirt was being washed by her. She was not washing a shirt was not being washed by her. Was she washing a shirt? Was a shirt being washed by her? And after the past simple past, we now past perfect tense. In the past perfect tense, we have the structure is had been plus verb 3. They had won the game. The game had been owned by them. Negative sentence, they had not won the game had not been owned by them. Had they won the game? Had the game been owned by them? And after that, simple future tense we have to use. In the simple future tense, the will, shall, after that be is used, must be is used. She will write a poem will be written by her. She will not write a poem will not be written by her. Will she write a poem? Will a poem be written by her? After the simple future, we have to know the future perfect tense. And here, will have been is used plus verb 3. He will have received the letter. The letter will have been received by him. He will not have received the letter will not have been received by him. Will they have received the letter? Will she have not been received by the letter? And here some note is I have prepared that present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, and future perfect continuous tense and future continuous tense is not changed into the passive voices. And when there is no object, then there also it is not changed into passive voice. After the tense, we have to know the models. How the models is changed. In this model structure, just you have to write the model plus be plus verb 3. Here one example I have given. He can drive a car. A car can be driven by him. He cannot drive a car and a car cannot be driven by him. Can he drive a car? Can a car be driven by him? After the models, it is also given the model sentence, and in this model sentence the may is used and might is used, and she may eat an apple may not be eaten by her. After the model, we have to know the rules of the imperative sentence. In the imperative sentence, I just clear you what is the imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means a sentence that expresses a command, an advice, a request is called the imperative sentence. Here sentence are given the example: learn your lesson, advice, open the door, command, help the poor, advice, please make a cup of request. And how this is changed, the structure is also there and rules are also there. First rule is that first we have to use the let, and second there be is used, and third there is the verb 3 is used. Now the example is also I have made here. And respect the elders and let the elders be respected. Finish the task, let the task be finished. Do not waste the time, let the time not be wasted. So I have just cleared, given you all the rules of this tense, imperative sentence and models. At last I just told you that the voice is very necessary to improve the English language. So dear students, see the video and learn each and every rules and use in your language. Thank you.
We are the brave. We are the free. We have the power to be stronger if we want it. You and me. This is our time. This is the day. We can do anything, anything.